Good morning everyone. We all were solving questions of exercise 20.1. Today we have to start question number 7. I am going to read this question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular garden at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter if its length and breadth are in the ratio 4:3 and its area is 1200 meters square. So always in the solution, first of all we have to write the given, which is simply given area of rectangular garden. Area of rectangular garden, it is 1200 meters square, and ratio of its dimension is given, that is 4:3, means L ratio B is given 4:3. And yesterday in my class I have explained that to eliminate the ratio, always equate that ratio equal to some constant like x. Okay, I am just assuming that. So L will be equal to 4x and B equal to 3x, correct? But the question is, find the cost of fencing a rectangular garden at the rate of rupees 7.5 per meter. Listen, cost of fencing a rectangular garden. फेंसिंग, जो रेलिंग लगती है, जो फेंस लगते हैं, वो कहाँ पे, किस साइड में लगता है? बाउंड्री में ना, in the boundary of the rectangular garden. So that's why we have to calculate the perimeter of the rectangular garden. And how we will calculate the perimeter? We should know the value of L and B. When we put the value of L and B in the formula of area of rectangle, we will have the value of x. After getting the value of x, we will put that value of x here. So we will have L and B, and then we will calculate perimeter. Therefore, what? L into B equal to 1200. This is area, na? That's why. So this is 4x and it is 3x. So it is 4 into 3 is 12. X into x is x square. So x square equals to 1200 upon 12, and when you simplify it, you will get x square equals to 100, means x equals to under root 100, and you know 100 means pairing of 10, so 10 will come out, so it will be 10 meter. Value of x is 10 meter. I am writing here, you can copy down after the value of x, you will copy down from here. So value of x, I will put here L equal to 4x. So it means 4 into 10 meter means 40 meter. And value of B is 3x, means 3 into 10 meter means 30 meter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of the garden. Perimeter of garden is, because it is rectangular garden, so its perimeter will be 2 in bracket L plus B. 2 in bracket L plus B. So it is 2, 40 plus 30 meter. First solve the bracket. 40 plus 30 is 70. And 2 into 70 is 140. So perimeter is 140 meter. And rate of fencing is rupees 7.5 per meter. Means here cost of fencing 1 meter length equal to rupees 7.5. So cost of fencing 140 meter length will be rupees 7.5 into 140. So when you will solve, you will get the answer. In the word problem, always we have to write the given, what is simply given, area of rectangular garden. Then ratio of its dimension, length and breadth is given. To eliminate the ratio, I have just equate that ratio to constant. And then just put the value of L and B in the formula of area of rectangle, because area of rectangle is given. From here, I have got the value of x. Just put the value of x in L and B. And Because the cost of fencing is given for 1 meter length. Per meter it means 1 meter length. So it means we have to calculate the perimeter, total length for fencing. So after calculating perimeter, just simply multiply the value of perimeter with the cost of fencing 1 meter length, and you will have the total cost. Move on to the next question. Question number 8. In this question, it is given the cost of cementing a square courtyard at rupees 11 per square meter is rupees 1100. It means total cost is given, total cost of cementing a complete square is given, and cost of cementing only 1 meter square area is given. Okay, so here what we can do, we can multiply the area of the square into cost of only 1 meter square area equal to total cost, correct? And find the cost of fencing it when the rate is given. Fencing is always done on the boundary, so we will calculate then perimeter and multiply the perimeter with the given rate. But how we will calculate the dimension of the square, side of the square, that is the main question. So you know how to calculate the total cost of anything. Total cost is always calculated by multiplying two quantities. Which two quantities? First is cost of cementing or cost of 1 unit into total number of units. Cost of 1 unit into total number of unit will contribute to total cost. So here what is 1 unit and number of unit? 1 unit means cost of cementing 1 meter square area, and total number of unit means total area. So we will multiply area into cost of cementing 1 meter square area. That will contribute to total cost. See. First of all, I will write given. Given cost of cementing 1 meter square area, that is rupees 11. And another thing is given cost of cementing square courtyard, means complete square platform, that is rupees 1100. So this is actually the total cost. So total cost will contribute by, you can replace cost of cementing square courtyard by area of square courtyard, area of square courtyard into cost of cementing 1 meter square area, that is rupees 1100. Understood this point? Means cost of cementing complete square is rupees 1100. So how you can replace this cost of cementing square courtyard by area of square into cost of cementing 1 meter square area. Area of square is side square, and cost of cementing is given rupees 11, and it is rupees 1100. So a square equals to 1100 upon 11, it will be 100. So a equals to 100 under root 100, so a equals to 10 meter square. Sorry, it's a side, so side a equals to 10 meter. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of square courtyard. Perimeter of square courtyard, that will be 4a, correct? 4 into 10 meter will be 40 meter. And here rate is given, means cost of fencing 1 meter length is given. 1 meter length equals to rupees, I think it is given rupees 10. So here cost of fencing 40 meter means perimeter, 40 meter length will be rupees 10 into 40 means rupees 400, and this is the answer. Okay. So whenever total cost is given and cost of 1 unit is given, So always multiply the total quantity. Here, what is total quantity? Area. Total area into cost of 1 unit equal to total cost. That concept I have used, and by that you will get the dimension of the square courtyard, then perimeter, multiply the perimeter with the rate of fencing. Okay.